How to get NFL Sunday Ticket with Verizon. Verizon's hooking you up with up to $480 in value. Here's how. If you're new, buy or bring a 5G phone and start a new line on my plan, you get Sunday Ticket included. Existing customers can upgrade to my plan with a new 5G phone. If you've got Verizon Home, Internet Fios Gig, 5G Home Ultimate, or LTE Home Plus, you're also eligible. Already on Verizon, you can still score Sunday Ticket for $276 instead of $480. That's over $200 in savings. To redeem, log into My Verizon, claim the Sunday Ticket offer, sign in with Google, and activate through YouTube or YouTube Television. Do it within 60 days of sign-up or by the 22nd of December 2025. Once it's active, you can stream every out-of-market Sunday afternoon game, use multi-view, unlimited streams at home, and watch highlights with key plays. Local games, Sunday night football, and digital-only games aren't included. So if you're thinking of switching or upgrading, this is the year Verizon basically pays for your NFL Sunday Ticket.